30 SAP HANA certification practice questions. Question 1. Which of the following best describes SAP HANA? A. Relational database management system. B. In-memory data platform. C. File storage system. D. NoSQL database. Correct answer B. In-memory data platform. Question 2. What is the main advantage of columnar storage in SAP HANA? A. Faster data deletion. B. Improved data compression and faster query performance. C. Reduced hardware requirements. D. Easier data backup. Correct answer B. Improved data compression and faster query performance. Question 3. Which language is primarily used for creating calculation views in SAP HANA? A. SQL script. B. ABAP. C. Java. D. Python. Correct answer A. SQL script. Question 4. Which of the following is not a type of privilege in SAP HANA? A. System privilege. B. Object privilege. C. Analytic privilege. D. Network privilege. Correct answer D. Network privilege. Question 5. What is a key benefit of using SAP HANA Live? A. Real-time operational reporting. B. Data archiving. C. Batch processing. D. Data migration. Correct answer A. Real-time operational reporting. Question 6. Which tool is used for modeling in SAP HANA? A. SAP HANA Studio. B. SAP Solution Manager. C. SAP NetWeaver. D. SAP Data Services. Correct answer A. SAP HANA Studio. Question 7. What is the purpose of the XS engine in SAP HANA? A. Data backup. B. Application server for lightweight web applications. C. Data replication. D. Hardware monitoring. Correct answer B. Application server for lightweight web applications. Question 8. Which of the following is true about SAP HANA's persistence layer? A. It only stores data in memory. B. It ensures durability and atomicity of transactions. C. It is used for user management. D. It is not needed for system recovery. Correct answer B. It ensures durability and atomicity of transactions. Question 9. What is the function of an analytic privilege in SAP HANA? A. Controls access to specific data in information models. B. Manages user passwords. C. grants system-level access. D. Monitors system performance. Correct answer A. Controls access to specific data in information models. Question 10. Which of the following is a valid SAP HANA database recovery option? A. Point-in-time recovery. B. Incremental recovery. C. Full recovery only. D. No recovery possible. Correct answer A. Point-in-time recovery. Question 11. What does the SAP HANA cockpit provide? A. System administration and monitoring tools. B. Data modeling interface. C. Data migration utilities. D. End-user reporting functions. Correct answer A. System administration and monitoring tools. Question 12. Which statement is true about SAP HANA calculation views? A. They can only be created using graphical modeling. B. They can combine data from multiple sources. C. They're used for user management. D. They replace all SQL views. Correct answer B. They can combine data from multiple sources. Question 13. What is the main purpose of the SAP HANA Index Server? A. Handles database processing and query execution. B. Manages user authentication. C. Backs up data. D. Provides web services. Correct answer A. Handles database processing and query execution. Question 14. Which of the following is not a SAP HANA deployment option? A. On-premise. B. Cloud. C. Hybrid. D. Mainframe. Correct answer D. Mainframe. Question 15. What is the role of the SAP HANA XS Advanced XSA? A. Provides a platform for advanced application development. B. Manages backups. C. Handles network security. D. Offers only reporting features. Correct answer A. Provides a platform for advanced application development. Question 16. What is a core data service CDS? View. A. A database backup. B. A virtual data model for advanced data access. C. A type of analytic privilege. D. A user authentication method. Correct answer B. A virtual data model for advanced data access. Question 17. Which SAP HANA component manages data persistence? A. Name server. B. Persistence layer. C. XS engine. D. Preprocessor server. Correct answer B. Persistence layer. Question 18. Which of the following is a valid data provisioning method in SAP HANA? A. SAP Landscape Transformation Replication Server SLT. B. SAP Gateway. C. SAP Fiery. D. SAP Web Dispatcher. Correct answer A. SAP Landscape Transformation Replication Server SLT. Question 19. What is the function of the SAP HANA Name Server? A. Manages distributed landscape and stores topology information. B. Handles user passwords. C. Monitors hardware. D. Provides reporting tools. Correct answer A. Manages distributed landscape and stores topology information. Question 20. Which of the following is not a valid SAP HANA data model type? A. Attribute view. B. Analytic view. C. Calculation view. D. Transaction view. Correct answer D. Transaction view. Question 21. Which backup type is supported by SAP HANA? A. Full backup. B. Incremental backup. C. Differential backup. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question 22. What is the purpose of SAP HANA Smart Data Access SDA? A. Access remote data sources without replication. B. Encrypt data at rest. C. Schedule backups. D. Manage user roles. Correct answer A. Access remote data sources without replication. Question 23. Which component is responsible for text analysis in SAP HANA? A. Preprocessor server. B. Name server. C. Index server. D. XS engine. Correct answer A. Preprocessor server. Question 24. What is the default port number for SAP HANA System Database? A. 30,015. B. 3,306. C. 1,433. D. 8,080. Correct answer A. 30015. Question 25. Which of the following is a feature of SAP HANA's multi-tenant database containers MDC? A. Multiple isolated databases in a single HANA system. B. Only one database per system. C. No user management. D. No backup support. Correct answer A. Multiple isolated databases in a single HANA system. Question 26. What is the main benefit of SAP HANA's in-memory computing? A. Faster data processing. B. Low licensing costs. C. More storage capacity. D. Easier user management. Correct answer A. Faster data processing. Question 27. Which tool is used for SAP HANA database migration? A. SAP Database Migration Option DMO. B. SAP Fiery. C. SAP Solution Manager. D. SAP Web IDE. Correct answer A. SAP Database Migration Option DMO. Question 28. What is the function of SAP HANA's Delta storage? A. Stores changes until they are merged with the main store. B. Manages user roles. C. Handles backup scheduling. D. Provides reporting tools. Correct answer A. Stores changes until they are merged with the main store. Question 29. Which of the following is a security feature of SAP HANA? A. Role-based access control. B. Data masking. C. Encryption. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question 30. What is the recommended method to transport SAP HANA models between systems? A. Delivery units. B. FTP transfer. C. Email. D. USB drive. Correct answer A. Delivery units.